Hello, welcome to Ohio Notary Services and becomeanohionotary.com. Ohio Notary Services is the only company approved by the Ohio Secretary of State to provide you with the education and testing you need to become a new notary public, as well as to help you become a remote online notary. We've created this brief video to help you understand the steps you need to take to earn your Ohio Notary Public commission. Step 1. Obtain a formal Bureau of Criminal Investigation, or BCI, background check. You can see the link at the Attorney General's website on your screen. That link will give you a directory of locations around the state where you can go to apply for the background check. There are two important things to remember, however, as you do that. The first is you must use the code 147.022, 147.022, and have that report sent to you. Do not send the report to us or to the Secretary of State or to the Attorney General. Have the report sent to you because you will need to upload that for the Ohio Secretary of State. And the code is what is used by the Bureau of Criminal Investigation to make sure that none of the disqualifying offenses found in Ohio notary law are in your background check. Step 2. Visit us at www.becomeanohionotary.com, where you can view the 3-hour class, pass the 30-question test, you must get an 80% on that, and download then the successful completion certificate to your computer. Again, that certificate you will upload to the Secretary of State at Step 3. There you see the Ohio Secretary of State's website address. On that web page, you will select File Notary Commission Applications, and that is where you will complete your application and upload your background check and the completion certificate that you've received from Ohio Notary Services. Step 4. Once that process is complete and you've received your commission from the Secretary of State, return to our website at becomeanohionotary.com, where you can select notary supplies and order your official notary stamp and seal. Now, Step 5. Well, there isn't a Step 5. You're done. Visit us again in 5 years when it is time to renew your commission and go through that process. But until then, you're all set. So, thanks for watching. If you have questions, contact us at info@becomeanohionotary.com or give us a call at 330-436-0118. Thanks again.